Hello, welcome back to another video. And recently I made this thing. Haven't posted it on any social media or anything, but I thought it was kind of cool. I was trying to make. I've been liking recorders or cassette tapes recently, just kind of how they look, and I've learned to make this really cool, insanely quick grunge material. And I've been just learning a little bit more about imperfections and stuff. And so let's kind of test that out on this right here. This is terrible, by the way. Literally nothing to be impressed about. But how we do it, we're just gonna bring in a Musgrave texture, right? I mean, I don't know if you know that. Let's bring in a Musgrave texture, and it's gonna look super shiny and kind of stretched, because what we need to do is go Control T, then go Object to Vector, and then after that, you can just move them. And then let's just go to value, bring the value to the scale, and you can turn it down to something more like 0.3 right there. And then you can turn up the scale, turn down the scale, all that kind of stuff, right? Go to detail, turn it all the way up. I guess this part, over here, this was unnecessary, but it's okay. Turn down the dimension, and you got some grunge. But you're like, how do I take care of this shiny part? Well, what you can do is get a mix RGB and play around with this factor right here. It's one thing you can do. Another thing, just kind of bring up this thing right here, and then you can play around with this. You can even switch to overlay. That changes some stuff that doesn't look too good. You can even go to add. That looks different, but mainly you want to keep it on, mix. So we're just going to keep it there. If we go all the way there, that means super shiny. If we go all the way up here, that means less. And I'm just going to take down this, and then we can change the color and all that, and then we can see what it looks like in this mode. It looks a lot better than what it would be. So let's actually take it away. Just bland, and then a lot better, right? It adds a lot more character. So that's literally just a super quick tutorial on how to make some grunge. And I'll just do more procedural imperfection videos if that's kind of the thing that you guys like. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you very much.